Croeso'r noson agored rhithiol a chroeso i'r cyflwyniad gan yr adran Cymdeithaseg. Welcome to the sixth form open evening and welcome to the presentation by the Sociology department. Pam dewis Lefel A Cymdeithaseg? Why choose A-level Sociology? Mrs Elin Atherton ydy'n enw fi, a fi sy'n arweinydd y pwnc Cymdeithaseg. So I'm Mrs Elin Atherton and I am responsible for the subject Sociology. Dwi'n dysgu'r pwnc yma ers 20 mlynedd bellach ar lefel tygau a lefel A ac yn dal i fwynhau yn fawr iawn. So I've been teaching the subject here for nearly 20 years now and I still enjoy the subject very much. Dyma bwnc sy'n newydd. Oni bai eich bod chi wedi astudio ym mlwyddyn 10 ac 11, ond nid yw hynny'n angenrheidiol, ac mae hyn yn apelio i llawer cael astudio rhywbeth newydd. Yn berson sy'n hoffi cael eich herio gan syniadau newydd ac yn hoffi trafodaeth. Mae'n rhaid i chi fod efo diddordeb yn y byd o'ch cwmpas a beth sy'n mynd ymlaen. Mae'n bwnc cyfoethog mewn datblygu sgiliau darllen, ysgrifennu ac ymchwilio, felly gnewch yn siŵr eich bod chi'n mwynhau y sgiliau yma ac isio eu datblygu nhw. So this is a subject that's going to be new unless you've studied it at GCSE, but that isn't essential. This does appeal to many, being a new subject, studying something new. You have to be a person who likes to be challenged by new ideas and likes discussion. You must have an interest in the world around you and what is going on. It is a subject that's rich in developing reading, writing and research skills. So do make sure that you enjoy these skills and that you do want to develop them. Beth ydy Cymdeithaseg? Yn syml iawn, astudiaeth o'r gymdeithas ydy Cymdeithaseg. Mae yna bobl o'r enw cymdeithasegwyr sydd efo diddordeb mawr yn y ffordd rydyn ni fel pobl yn ymddwyn ac yn rhyngweithio. Bydd sawl maes astudio gwahanol. So what is sociology? To put it simply, it is the study of the society. There are people that are known as sociologists who have a big interest in the way that we as human beings behave and interact together. There will be many different areas of study. Dyma chydig bach o wybodaeth i chi am y cwrs. This is a little bit of information about the course itself. Does na ddim gwaith cwrs. Bydd 2 arholiad ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 12 a 2 arholiad ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 13. So there will be no coursework. There will be 2 exams at the end of year 12 and 2 exams at the end of year 13. Ym mlwyddyn 12, byddwch yn astudio unedau 1 a 2. Arholiad awr a chwarter fydd uned 1, caffael diwylliant, ac arholiad 2 awr fydd uned 2, deall cymdeithas. So in year 12, you will study the units 1 and 2. Unit 1, acquiring culture, will be an exam for 1 hour and a quarter, and unit 2 will be a 2-hour exam. Bydd hynny'n golygu cwblhau 50% o'r cwrs. That will mean completing 50% of the course. I gwblhau a chael cymhwyster lefel A llawn, bydd rhaid i chi gwblhau unedau 3 a 4. Arholiad 2 awr fydd uned 3 yn astudio'r thema trosedd a gwiredd, ac arholiad 2 awr a chwarter bydd uned 4 yn bennaf yn astudio'r thema anghydraddoldeb. To complete the course and get a full A-level qualification, you will need to complete Units 3 and 4. Unit 3 will consist of a 2-hour exam on the theme Crime and Deviance, and Unit 4 will consist of a 2-hour and a quarter exam, mainly on the theme of social inequality. Beth yw manteision astudio cymdeithaseg? What advantage are there to studying sociology? Mae cymdeithaseg yn eich paratoi ar gyfer newid byd drwy ddatblygu gwerthfawrogiad rhywun o amrywiaethau, caru dysgu, sgiliau ysgrifennu ac astudio, a sail gwybodaeth am ymddygiad dynol, trefniant cymdeithasol, diwylliant a newid cymdeithasol. Sociology prepares one for a lifetime of change by developing one's appreciation of diversity, love of learning, writing and study skills, and knowledge based about human behaviour, social organisation, culture and social change. Byddwch chi'n datblygu eich gallu i feddwl yn feirniadol, i analeiddio, i gyfathrebu, i ymchwilio, yn ogystal a datblygu sgiliau cymdeithasol. You will develop skills that will help you to develop critical skills, analytical skills, communication skills, research skills, as well as social skills. Cewch well dealltwriaeth o'r byd cymdeithasol. You will gain a better understanding of the social world. Bydd astudio cymdeithaseg yn rhoi i chi gwell dealltwriaeth o bethau fel rhesymau dros wahaniaethu cymdeithasol. Studying sociology will provide a better understanding of things like the reasons for social differences. Rhesymau dros y gwahaniaethau mewn cyfleon a deilliannau gwahanol grwpiau. Reasons for the differentials in group opportunities and outcomes. Perthnasedd hierarchau cymdeithasol a grym cymdeithasol mewn bywyd pob dydd. The relevance of social hierarchies and social power in everyday life. Sut mae unigolion a grwpiau yn cael eu llunio gan othrymau cymdeithasol mwy. How individuals and groups are shaped by larger social forces. Rôl, sefydliadau cymdeithasol a rôl y strwythur cymdeithasol. The role of social institutions and the role of social structure. Mae barn y dysgwyr yn holl bwysig. So the voice of our learners is very important. Yn ôl Tommy, mae o wedi datblygu ei sgiliau gwerthuso, gweithio pethau allan, a rhesymu, ac yn mwynhau'r damcaniaethau rydyn ni wedi dod ar draws fel ffeministiaeth a Marxiaeth. So, according to Tommy, he has developed his skill of working things out, reasoning, and he enjoys theories that we've come across, such as feminism and Marxism. Mae Charlie yn cael y pwnc yn ddiddorol ac yn ei weld yn bwnc sy'n mynd yn dda gyda phynciau eraill megis hanes a daearyddiaeth. Charlie sees the subject being very interesting, and he sees it as a subject that goes well with other subjects like history and geography. Mae Mali yn ddisgybl blwyddyn 13 ac yn awr yn gweld gwerth mawr yn y pwnc ar gyfer ei dyfodol hi a'i gyrfa hi fel nyrs. Mali is a Year 13 pupil and now sees the value of the subject for her future and her future career as a nurse. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am wrando. Thank you very much for listening. A please dewch I fy ngweld I os oes gennych chi unrhyw gwestiynau. Please come and see me if you do have any questions. Hwyl fawr!